Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be demonstrating a range griddle. The range griddle is an accessory that you can order for certain model stoves that goes into the middle burner, which you can use to cook your food. So this is the stove that we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind that ours might be a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same techniques should still apply. So this is the range griddle that we're going to be using. If you don't have one already, you can find them on our online store. Now for this range griddle, it'll only fit on the middle burner. So if you try to put it on your side burners, I can show you, it just won't fit. It is specifically made to go where the middle grate is. So you can see right there, it doesn't fit there. However, I take this off, set that off to the side, and set it down here. Now you can set it either way, this way or this way, doesn't matter. But you can see right here underneath, this middle burner is perfect for the griddle. It'll get you nice even heat across the entire thing. And now we'll cook some eggs on it and show you exactly how it works. So obviously our first step is going to be to light the burner. You're just going to do it like you would any other time. Keep it on till the burner lights. And there we go. And now you can use this griddle like you would any other pot or pan. You've got your flat surface to cook on, just like that. So, we'll put some eggs on there. Scrambled, of course. And you can see that little lip right there caught some of the eggs, so it doesn't overflow, which is a nice thing. So we're getting a good heat, and you can see we're starting to get the eggs to solidify a little bit, especially up here in the middle spots. Now this isn't just for cooking eggs, obviously. You can cook anything on here. Eggs is just what we had available at this time. Been nice to have cooked some steak on it though. But it is breakfast time. And now here we go, breakfast is served. Now you can see here, we do have a bit of a mess on our griddle. So I want to show you how it looks after we clean it off. Keep in mind you don't want to touch this. It's very hot right now, so we're going to wait for it to cool down. Wash it off, and we'll show you. We're going to get it as clean as it was when it came out of the box. So here's our griddle again, nice and clean now. So as you can see here, we'll put it down into this middle spot again. Just to show you, it's perfectly flush with the other burners. So now, instead of having to have a pot on the middle, that's going to be in the way of everything else you're cooking, you can cook on this nice flat griddle and still use all 4 burners to cook other stuff in. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.